Tamis ha. Buko juice.
Hindi na natagdagan. 7. Dami natin turnovers, coach. 17.
Bumaba po. 6 lang sa second half. 11
Ako,
yung
11 na tayo. Tapos 19 assists.
Welcome to our post-game press conference where after Magnolia's 105-93 victory against Converge, we are joined by best player of the game, Paul Lee, and winning coach, Coach Chito Victorero. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Coach Chito, from a 127-point game of Converge, you just limited them to 93 tonight. Coming to this game, was it a conscious decision to silence either Alex Stockton or Justin Arana and then limit their import to around 30 points? What was it about your defense that allowed you to topple Converge?
First of all, thank you for Lord Jesus Christ for this win. And regarding the question, yes, we want them to limit below 100 points. Our goal is 92 points per game. So we did a good job on the defensive end. Siguro yung maybe on the last 5 minutes of the game, dun lang medyo siguro nag-relax kami. And kala ng mga namin panalo na. So yun eh. So we need to address that situation. Medyo hindi kami pwedeng ganun. So kailangan siguro we need to be consistent on our defense. Siguro malilimit pa namin yun under 90 points kung ginawa lang namin yung trabaho namin for the whole 48 minutes eh. But a win is a win, and I'm very glad and happy because the players stepped up on this game. Yes, we try to limit Stockton. We put our import to him para lang malimit yung activity ni Stockton, and Arana also for Ian. Thank you.
Coach, you mentioned how your focus coming into the season was better offensive execution. And after these 2 games, can you say confidently that your players are getting the hang of it?
Yes, I think alam na naman nila yung gusto naming mangyaring sistema on our offense. I think na-increase namin yung pass break, yung mga easy points, and also our execution on the half court. Good thing is I think we share the ball and we have patience on our offense, and that's malaking bagay yun para sa amin. So siguro paunti-unti as a season na tumatagal, medyo gumaganda rin yung takbo ng transition offense namin.
Thank you, Coach. Paul, you've been very vocal about your disappointments and frustration from last season. Coming into the season, sabi mo na ang dami mong gustong baguhin at nakita nga namin na parang nagbawas ka rin ng timbang. Can you just walk us through your journey? How different do you feel now at ano ba talaga yung mga tumakbo sa isip mo before the season?
Yes. Coming from a bad conference, last conference, yun lang, gusto ko lang mag-bounce back, and everything will start sa akin talaga. So start ako sa physical condition ko, and then next yung mental condition ko. And yun lang, ginamit ko lang siyang motivation going into this conference. And ayun, kahit pa paano nakakita ako ng result, and I'm very happy.
Paul, ang dami ring changes sa roster nyo ngayon. Saan ka ba nag-a-adjust pa so far? Dalawang
Right now, siguro sa minsan ginagamit ako na point guard ni coach, and I'm ready to accept that role while waiting kay Jerome Lastimosa. And ayun nga, again, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na kung ano man yung role na ibibigay sa akin ng mga coaches ngayon, kailangan ready ako sa lahat ng yun.
At this point, we are opening the floor to the media.
All right.
And Paul, congratulations. You
Thank you.
mentioned kanina yung final 5 minutes of the game where Converge almost made a comeback rally. Pero for you mismo as a veteran, how did you compose the hot shots to, stay composed dun sa final 5 minutes of the game?
Siguro advantage din namin yun na we have some veterans dun sa grupo namin. Especially Mark. I know na nag-struggle siya buong laro, pero sa dulo, sa kanya pa rin kami bumabagsak, nagtitiwala pa rin kami sa isa't isa. Siguro dala na lang din yun ng samahan namin for many years. And yun nga, kailangan siguro kahit na malaki yung lamang namin, kailangan bilisan pa rin namin yung laro. Wag namin babagalan para hindi siguro mangyari yung ganun. Pero kailangan disiplinado pa rin kami.
Coach, for you personally, when you saw, yung experience ng hot shots work out in that fourth quarter, final 5 minutes of the fourth quarter, how satisfied are you seeing na kaya nilang mag-sustain ng ganun dito sa start ng conference?
Actually, there's good and bad. So because we need to change the attitude of that because the last 5 minutes were led by double digits and yun, basta na lang nawala eh. But in a crunch time, I rely to these guys because yun nga sabi ni Paul, we're almost ang tagal na namin magkakasama. We know each other. We know where and when to go to that last shot or the best possible shot. I think yun lang, kailangan siguro lang namin matuto matuto kami dun sa nangyari kanina and wag na namin paabutin dun sa mga kailangan pa namin ng execution sa dulo na dikit yung laro. Although maganda kasi kailangan namin yan in the playoffs, maybe hopefully we can makapating kami doon and yung mga game na ganito yun yung kailangan namin.
Coach, follow-up lang pala. Kanina, minention ni Paul yung, kumbaga, yung guts ni Mark Baroka when it came to the clutch. For you personally, seeing na ganun pa rin siya maglaro in the final minutes of the game, gano'n ka satisfied na ganun pa rin yung bitaw niya in this point of his career?
Yeah, after the timeout, I called the timeout and I designed the play for Mark and he will the one who will execute on that play. He makes a good decision on that after a timeout play. And I'm very happy because si Mark naman talaga maalaga yan sa katawan. So I think walang problema dun sa condition niya. So he plays like nasa 30s pa yan talaga. So yun lang. Huwag natin yun yung edad ni Mark kasi hindi naman tumatanda si Mark eh.
Coach, si Jerry Canmis, he had 14 points, 3 sa 4 points. Paul, mas marami sa sayo.
I'm not gonna lie. Sobrang sipag ng bata. Kaya we saw the results. Hands down dun sa bata. Kasi coming from the season na hindi talaga siya nagagamit, nandun siya sa court every morning. Pumupunta, ginagawa yung routine niya. So, lahat ng hard work na ginagawa niya, nag-fade off ngayon. So, sobrang proud ako kay Jeric.
Coach, these 2 games siyang starter mo, ano bang reason? Bukod dun sa sinabi ni Paul, anong reason mo dun?
Si Jeric naman, he works hard. Siguro nandun lang sa period of adjustment na he converted to a point guard. He's always a shooting guard in college. And right now, we try to be patient on Jeric also. But he contributed a lot on this game. And also, we want him to be our two-way player. We want him to also to be pesky and be a good defensive player. So, pasensya lang ng konti doon sa chance sa mga bagay na kulang pa si Jeric. But he's very helpful to the team right now kasi nga na-spread niya yung floor talaga.
Thank you so much, Coach Chita and Paul.
Thank you.
Congratulations.